part time in the White Hood is was going to get the way the cookies to Grandma, and you're not my grandma, you're the bad wolf. Please go and get my cookies and let the coaster. But the White Hood, but the bad wolf ordered the butter eat all the cookies, but the White Hood stop eating all my cookies. You're not the right way. This is my grandma cookies. But oh no, I'm not gonna eat all your cookies either. I go away in my little house.
Oh, that was Little Red Riding Hood?
Huh? But the grandma here, yoo-hoo, I grandma, and then get you, right here, I love cookies. The grandma bring White Hood in a big house, and a big bus, and the butterfree, and the little happy. The end.
Oh, okay. Good job.